Over. Okay.
How's it going, everybody? My name's Casanova. I'm here with WTF Gamers. Spelled WTF GAMAH.
Hey, it's a typo, I swear.
Gama.
We're here with the rest of the band, which is Nash and Danny.
You're so white.
And we're gonna be playing Failing Bird. Now, last night, wasn't it? Last night.
This morning, 12 o'clock, I uploaded a video.
He played some indie games, and he played Failing Bird, and it was really funny to see him fail and get angry and throw his controller across the room, so we're all going to give it a try. Oh, if you don't put the link to my channel in the description this time, I'm going to punch you in the penis.
It didn't work last time, because I tried to link your channel.
Already! I don't want to see you throw your controller again.
Back!
Shut up, Nash!
Alright, Nash, Danny, are you going to take a turn?
No! What? It's doing it again!
What is it
It's
doing?
unresponsive!
Come on, give us a try.
Nah. I gotta get past the...
Alright, get past 3 and it's our turn.
2.
2? Okay. Oh my god, you're doing it. Oh, what?
Why are there cannons? That's not fair!
That's new!
I got to 5.
Alright, my turn, let's do it. Tap A to flat, that's it.
Yep.
Tap A to fat?
Tap. Oh my!
See, I told you! The controller like vibrates when you... He has to get past 2. Everybody has to get past 2.
Alright.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, that's pretty...
See?
That's some loose controlling.
What did you say before help?
What did I say?
You said ducking, right?
Yeah?
Good.
We'll go... Oh no! If you let me fall there, what if you...
Oh, look, it has a death count. I want to see what my death count is.
What?
Death count. 88.
You cracked 88 tries? Fucking what?
Shut up!
Ducking, I'm sorry, man.
I say mother ducker. You
Mother
say
ducker.
ducker.
Can I say fluck?
No.
Why can't I say fluck?
Duck.
Onision, man.
Wait, you can have a second player?
With the fork.
What?
Hold on a second. Did it just say player 2? Get another controller over here. Danny,
No, you can just switch the thing you have, that's all.
Player 2, press start. Hold up.
Hold up. This is interesting.
Hold up.
We've discovered something interesting.
Wow.
I'm gonna be a fish.
You guys are so...
Screw you guys, I'm a fish.
I'm such a professional.
The stuff falls off. Alright.
Alright, so...
Okay, so me and Ryan are going at it.
Alright.
I died. Ryan...
No!
I don't believe it.
Sorry.
Okay.
Alright, now it's gonna be Dan. Actually, no.
Nash
Sebastian hasn't got past 2 yet.
So then why are you still playing?
Because I can.
Fag.
I'm just gonna chill out here and just like...
British cigarette. Oh my god, why?
At least I can get past 1.
Shut your face. What the why?
Your face hole.
What?
Such a face hole.
Oh my god.
It's frustrating, isn't it?
No, it's just annoying.
That's why it's frustrating.
That's another way of saying it.
Alright, you got past 2, so you give it to Nash.
Alright, cool.
I haven't got past 2 yet.
Nash is the green one, Sebastian's the red one.
Why?
Cool.
Why would you do this to me?
Hashtag emo bird.
Oh, Nash got past 2. Alright,
it's Danny.
It's
your turn.
It's your turn.
Hashtag emo bird.
Get off the guitar.
So Sebastian can't progress anymore at all. So
I can progress. You shut up, Ryan. No winning by default.
Just press A.
Just press A to flap. And you died.
And everybody's like, press A.
You got 1.
Fudge. I got 1.
Press A to fat.
I'm pressing A, man, but nothing's happening.
Oh, what is the price of Coke?
Don't stop believing.
Danny got past 2. Sebastian's still
Is
stuck.
that Journey?
Is that Journey?
Copyright.
No, Journey's not gonna sue us
I
for
know.
singing their song.
Yeah,
Yes.
they've already got that Asian guy. Oh, he's cool.
I got past 2 again. Okay, cool.
Wow. Sebastian, you totally forgot how to... You're right, he did forget how to progress.
Every time.
Shut your face hole! I know what I'm. No! Why? Why would you do this to me? You cruel and unusual god!
So since when is Ryan a god?
Not God. Ryan is... No, not Ryan. No, fuck. Whatever.
So many movies I want to quote, but they have the F word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This kid is Samuel L. Jackson. He doesn't. Oh,
Jesus, man.
Jeez, no. It's not. It's,
Oh wait, you broke 2.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
What was up?
Danny, you want to come over here?
I got this.
No, it's Ryan. Apparently, Ryan's got it. Danny's looking like he wants to go home.
No, it's 6:30 already. That's
It's 6:30.
Please take me home. Da, 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 da. I
Take
forgot
me
the
home
lyrics
to paradise
to
city. The
this
grass is green and the girls are
Blink
pretty.
182 song.
Pip, 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 pip,
Let's just reference a bunch of songs that nobody's ever heard before.
pip, 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 pip,
Okay.
pip, 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 pip. Who broke that? That was Nash. Give it to me.
Your mother should have aborted you.
Alright. Danny doesn't want to play.
No one loves you.
That's it.
You're
That's
adopted.
really distracting,
I'm
Sebastian.
gonna keep on saying that each time you guys fail. You're adopted, and no one loves you.
You got that from me.
No
I'm a
one-
green fish. How did I turn green?
Kool-Aid.
Don't drink the Kool-Aid.
This makes it less aggravating.
Okay, who's next?
Don't stop feeling.
I stopped believing and I died. See what you did?
Don't stop believing. Oh. Nash can break that puberty barrier, though. Oh God, why?
Who's gotten over 2 now?
I hit 5.
We've all gotten over
I
two.
died.
You're a failure. No one likes you.
Oh, ow! Oh, I'm sorry. That was a punch to your leg. I see.
Alright.
It's all right. It's Danny and Nash
Alright,
playing.
Danny's taking the green bird and
Nash
I'm
has
taking,
the
the,
duck.
I'm taking the green bird and Danny's taking the green fish.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Wait, who am I? The green bird?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're a duck. You just
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why did no one tell me this? You guys.
Nash, you were breaking that barrier, Broham. Oh. Oh.
What the hell was that? You just hit the top of the.
No. Yeah, you hit the top. You hit the sky. You die, man. Rage quit. He just quits. Danny.
Just kidding. I don't rage quit. I don't because I'm not a gamer. Ha.
Game is love.
What the hell? The sky really does kill you.
See, I'm not insane.
See, I guess in this game, this
I'm not. I'm not.
What the heck? No, I'm done. You guys.
I'm not okay. I'm not okay.
Here's Nash over there.
Wear me out. Well, if you wanted honesty, oh shit. Danny's getting mad up in here. I just broke that barrier. Whoa. Your mother's a fish. How you feel about your mother's a fish? You son of a fish. You son of a fish.
How do you feel about that? Your mother was a fish.
Oh, guys! Oh! Here you go, Ryan. Oh, well, that was that.
Yeah, so like and favorite the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to WTF Gamers channel.
Because-
GAMAH.
You can type. You can type in the description.
And if you have a life, go outside.
Yeah, haha. Let's be honest, that's none of you. Goodbye.
PSA from Nash. All right, bye.
Love
Yeah.
you guys. With the passion.